This one goes out to you, Hudson. Oh. Although it's a chest exercise, although it's a chest routine, we will prime the big muscles in the legs, right? It's been known, you can research it, right? Releasing the proper hormone to cause growth. Ella has to do with your big muscles, your legs and your back, right? So today's exercise, we're going to be going kettlebell. And choose wisely, right? Because we have 3 rounds, so you can go up in weight if you need to. 1 medicine ball for elevation, or even a dumbbell for elevation. And I'll show both of those for the chest exercise. Right? It's a simple routine. It's the same for the legs, and then we change for the upper body. Right? First round is our suitcase carry. Right? Keep the feet together, nice and close. Whatever kettlebell size I use, start off light and then build up. We're going 15 repetitions, right? Knees together, we'll squat down, grab the kettlebell, and come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold it and march. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And the march lasts for 15 seconds. We do to one side, we do to the other. Now a bit of the explanation of the form that we want to keep. Right? Shoulders, hips, knees, and heel. Right? Notice that my shoulder and hips stay in line with my heel as I lift. I don't want to overlean too much because it's not a deadlift. It's still a squat. Right? Grabbing up, squeeze my booty at the top, push back. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and remember that hold. 1. And you march for 15 seconds. Deep breaths. You know you've chosen the right weight if you can feel your heart rate really going up. Right? Grip strength is working as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Right? After doing both sides, rest no more than about 30 to 45 seconds. You want to keep your blood pumping as we move into the chest portion. Right? The legs, get the heart rate going, start pumping all those good hormones everywhere. Ipso facto. But then, medicine ball. Right? I believe there's 5 exercises. As you get better, we will move from the knees to a full push-up position. Right? But for now, we'll start in the knees. After the first round, I'll explain the nuances and what to check for as you progress and get better, right? How to actually get better. Because even doing it, quote unquote, wrong is still beneficial because you're actually moving through the exercise, right? First exercise. Right. Looking for my shoulders, hips, and knees for alignment. Right hand is on the ball. I want to go down, thumb to chest, and tap up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides. Same. Adjust. Shoulders, hips, knees in line. Bring it up. Tap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching back. Now, just a push-up to the down part. Bring the thumb to the chest. 1. Switch. 1. Switch. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. Number 3. Hands on the ball. Bring it down. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Last one on the ball. Hold it in place. Diamond press or close grip, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, right? And that's one complete round, right? Doing the suitcase deadlifts to the medicine ball push-up sequence. Now, a couple of things to pay attention to. If you notice that as you're doing it, your hips have a tendency of staying back and it looks like this, you need to work on building a stronger core. So, take a step back and go into a plank on the knees. What you want to do is halvesies, right? Holding yourself in that position. You're going to work on the negative portion of the push-up. Lift, knees off the ground, and then slow descent down, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push through the knees. Good, solid, as one unit. Notice shoulders, hips, thighs, all lift as one. We reset. Again, 5 seconds down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the knees. Press up. 2. And just like we did on the other side, or like we've done for all the other reps, it's 5 repetitions. Reset. 5 seconds down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push through the knees. And paying attention to how your low back responds. Right? You'll notice if I'm tired, I'll start to do all of this extra stuff. So just take a second, watch yourself. It might be that I only go down halfway and then press myself up. But again, reset, negative down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant those knees, press yourself up. That's 4. Last one. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then press. Good. And that's a primer. That's if you notice that as you're trying to do the medicine ball push-ups, that your low back is just not cooperating. I would say take a step back and do 5 sets of the negatives, really building up the knowledge of your upper body strength. Right? Then we take no more than 2 minutes max. Right? No more than 2 minutes of rest. And if you feel ready before those 2 minutes, by all means, we go right into it on the next round. Right? I'll do one more. Right? In my talking. And again, during that time, dynamic warm-up, you're taking deep breaths. You're kind of paying attention to how your body feels. And then we'll go for round 2. Right? This one I'll go combat speed, sort of at the pace that I'd like you to go once you feel ready. Right? Grab your kettlebell. You might have gone up in weight if this is your second round and you felt that it was too light. So by all means, take that. Grabbing. Up. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it tight and march. 15 seconds. 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Safely put it down. Or we do to one side, do to the other. Right into it. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and march. 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place it down. Transitioning between those two, the legs and the push-ups, should only be 30 seconds. But at the end of the push-ups, whether you started with the halvesies, so say right now, I noticed that my hips were a little funky for the first one, I will do my set of negatives first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press up. Reset. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Reset. That's 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press. That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 4. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2. And I'll try it. Why not? Go. Press yourself up. Good. Checking that line of tension. Right? Now that I've primed myself for good form, medicine ball. Again, 4 exercises, 5 reps each. Down, thumb, chest, and shoulder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now the transfer. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Good. The drop. Right? Up on the ball. Glutes tight. 5, 4, 3. Chest touches the ball. 2, 1. Last one. Staying on the ball and bringing chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we rest again, 2 to 3 minutes. Again, as we get stronger, instead of doing it from the knees, you go from a full push-up position, right? The legs will be locked out. But until it feels solid, stick with doing the halvesy, then go from the knees to the medicine ball. You want to complete 3 to 5 rounds. Notice it doesn't take that much time, but pay attention to how fatigued you are, what weight we used for the deadlift or the suitcase kind of squat, and hope for all good problems, right? That way we can solve them. Until next time.